Welcome! Today we're going to be demonstrating how to bridge your digital assets from the Kusama parachain in the Polkadot ecosystem to Secret Network for use in private DeFi. Individuals looking to utilize their DOT, Pika, and KSM within the Cosmos ecosystem now have the ability to bridge their assets via the Centauri bridge. In order to bridge from the Picasso Network, you will need Pika to pay for gas. You can acquire Pika on Osmosis or Pablo Finance if needed. For this tutorial, we'll be utilizing the Trustless Zone bridging interface to bridge assets from Picasso to Secret Network. Let's start by visiting app.trustless.zone and connecting our Talisman and Kepler wallet. Upon successfully connecting your wallet, click on the Multi-Hop tab at the top of the page. This will take you to the Multi-Hop Ecosystem bridge interface. On this page, select to bridge from Picasso to the Secret Network. Then, we need to select what assets we'd like to bridge. Currently, the list of supported assets includes Pika, DOT, KSM, SCRT, Shade, and Silk. Select what assets you'd like to bridge from the Picasso network and then input the amount of assets you'd like to bridge. Make sure to review your transaction details before executing the transfer. Once you review your transaction details, click Transfer and approve the transaction in your wallet. Once the transfer is complete, you will see a success notification in the top right corner of the screen. Congratulations, you have successfully bridged your assets from the Polkadot ecosystem into Secret Network and wrapped them in privacy-preserving smart contracts. These wrapped assets now have private balances, transaction histories, and allowances, and can be used within private DeFi such as providing liquidity on ShadeSwap. Now let's show what the process looks like for bridging assets from the Secret Network or other Cosmos ecosystem blockchains to the Picasso network. For this process, we will again use the multi-hop bridging interface on app.trustless.zone. Upon successfully connecting your wallet, select what network from which you'd like to bridge into the Picasso network, and select the asset you'd like to bridge. Once you have properly selected everything, click Bridge and approve the transaction in your Kepler wallet. As your assets are being bridged, you'll notice the toast notification in the top right corner of the screen showing the progression of the transfer as your assets bridge from Secret Network to Centauri to Picasso. Congratulations, you have successfully bridged in your Secret Network assets to the Picasso network to be used in DeFi, or within the greater .sama ecosystem. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, leave a comment and subscribe for future educational content.